All right, so we got our master cylinder out. That was not easy. Wow. Yeah, that's obviously been leaking for quite a long time. That is terrible. So Xander's gonna go under the dash, get the booster out and disconnected. But yeah, that's obviously not any good. Yuck. Wow. You can see where it was absorbing moisture too, which made the rust. Wow, that's like the cooling system almost. Very similar. Hot damn. Right, got our master cylinder undone, got our lines off. Oh, come on out, baby. Oh, fun. Real fun. Ugh. Ugh. All right. Not as fun as we hoped, but we'll get it out. All right, vacuum reservoir is out. Everything holding the HVAC box in is now off. I do need to take the expansion valve out, like I've said before. Xander's getting ready to go under the dash and get this booster out. Now, all of our brake hard lines are corroded into the prop valve, conveniently, along with that residual pressure valve that's seen better days. So we were only able to get one of the hard lines out, which is fine. It'll actually cost less for us to just order a set than it is to try to fight all these out. So get that on the list for this week's order, along with booster and master and whatever other odds and ends for the engine bay that we need to go across. But we get that out, we get the booster out, and we can pretty much slide the rest of our wiring stuff back inside the car, seal up everything, get the HVAC box pulled, by the way, get everything kind of sealed up, and then it's ready to clean. A lot of work. Definitely a lot of work. But you want to do it right, that's what it takes. Ugh. Poor diaphragm in there. No longer existent. It's like hard and crusty. Oh well, it'll get fixed.